Welcome. So in this tutorial, I'm going to show you or teach you on how to add product in ClickFunnels 2.0. So if you want to know how I did it, just keep on watching. So first of all, what you need to do is to log into ClickFunnels. So visit the ClickFunnels website and log into your account using your credentials. Now, access your funnel. So once logged in, click on the Funnels tab from the main navigation menu, locate and select the funnel where you want to add the product. Once you've done that, edit the funnel. So in the funnel overview, click on the edit button next to the funnel you want to work on. This will open the funnel editor. Now just go ahead and add a product step. So in the funnel editor, identify the step in the funnel where you want to add a product. Click on the plus or add button on that step to add a new element. Now select product element. So from the list of elements, select the product element. This element allows you to add and configure a product within your funnel. Set up the product details. So after adding the product element, you can configure its details. This includes providing the product name, price, description, images, and other relevant information. So follow the on-screen prompts and options to set up the product to your desired specifications. Configure product settings. So click on the product element to access its settings. Here, you can specify additional details like payment options, fulfillment settings, upsell or downsell offers, and any other settings related to the product sales process. Save and publish. So once you have set up the product details and configurations, click on the Save or Publish button to save your changes and make the product live within your funnel. Now, remember that ClickFunnels offers various features and options to customize your product sales and process, such as integrating payment gateways, setting up shipping options, and managing other order fulfillment. Okay? So take advantage of these features to create a seamless and effective product sales experience for your customers. And that is how you add product in ClickFunnels 2.0. So I hope this video helped you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notifications so you won't miss a video. See you in the next one and have a great day.